No, don't do that. Can you see me?
In the visual?
I see you. You look scary. Oh, don't do that.
I'm just preparing for bedtime.
No. We're a little bit past bedtime. We're supposed to be at 3 o'clock. But it is 3:09, I think. Okay. Did we turn everything off? We turned all the electrical equipment in the house, except for some fucking computers on.
Yes! Okay, we're good. It's off, it is off.
Okay, I just see a light. Okay, so we're trying to reach anybody that's in this house. Why is the freaking light on in the damn thing?
Get the light off, yes. I didn't want to turn it off, it's dark.
Can you see? Here, we'll shine, we'll just follow the camera.
Alright, we gotta start this over.
We do, because this was bunk.
Was not very good.
I'm still videoing though. This is okay. What is up there? See where my light is shining? Up there?
It's a lot. I don't know.